guys! Welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is your farmer, and so today we are going to inject one of my goat, Patsy. Kasi hindi siya gaano ka-healthy. I think nangangailangan siya ng more vitamins. So today, I am going to give her a vitamin B complex. And this is through IM injection. Before I forget, guys, I am not really an expert to this thing. I am just like you who want to learn more every day. So, ang gagamitin ko, guys, is ito, vitamin B complex with liver extract. Tsaka ito, 1 ml na syringe. So guys, this is Patsy. Pumapayat siya dahil sa worms. And na-deworm ko na po siya. So today, vitamins naman ang ibibigay ko sa kanya. But before that guys, I will show you first kung gaano siya ka-healthy noon. So ayun guys, grabe talagang makaka-apekto ang mga worms sa growth ng ating mga alaga. And yesterday, I've given vitamin B complex also to Marmar.
Nangusap. Nangusap.
Alright guys, so that was really quick. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video interesting, let me know it by smashing the like button down below and consider subscribing for free for more videos every week. Bye!